Okay, so coming back here to the team, let's take a look at this particular team. So we can see there is a subscription now that is available, and this is subscribed to the pool that was created previously. And we can see that this particular pod has there's a connection token here. So if we click on that, and I'm just going to connect to a terminal here, and we can see that there is an SSH service. There's also a secure password link here that should allow us into that particular resource. So we can see here that that resource has been deployed, and we can see that it's accessing a virtual Tesla T4 device. That device has the full memory capacity. So every user that is subscribed to this resource is able to run and deploy any off-the-shelf CUDA application, and they're able to access the full memory capacity of that card. The way that we do that, if we have multiple users all accessing the same card at the same time, is that we have a layer that pairs system memory with the GPU VRAM, and in the background, our scheduler is making smart decisions about when that memory needs to be paged in and out of the cards, and that's all done in the background by the scheduler. So the end user just runs their application as they would normally. They're able to see and access the GPU device, and their application runs as it would on any physical GPU environment from any provider today. You can also expose additional services. So that's one of the features that we've enabled in the latest release. So for example, if they're running an application on port 443 HTTPS, we can map that to an external port. You remember we talked about how we can present external IP addresses for these services that are running. It's possible to enable up to 4 external services per pod. Um, and yeah, that sort of really covers a lot of the details, I think, about the platform. The new features in this release are, the ability now to access a lot more self-service capability for the end user. So being able to subscribe and see those resources. The end user is also able to control the power state of those resources. That's something that's mapped through now to the user panel, so they can start and stop it. They can also see the logs of the environment, of that pod environment. So as they start layering in different application services and so on, those will all be visible. You'll be able to see how the software was installed, where it's running, and they're able to obviously to some extent debug any issues that they might have with that particular environment and the software that's running inside that.